Om Amma. Know the Basics of Sanatana Dharma. Episode 9. Is it not superstition, rather a blind belief, to worship of sun, rivers, mountains, and rocks as God? This is the question today. Dear friends, Sanatana Dharma considers sun as God, the manifestation of ultimate divine principle. Sun is revered in Vedas as a friend, Mitra, as a father, as a witness of our actions, Karmasakshi, Divakara, Surya, Rutukara. Many names are given to sun and is worshipped as the divine. Friends, can a scientist who considers sun as a big ball of fire full of gases deal with his own biological mother as a big pack of bones, flesh and blood and deal with her on day-to-day basis? If calling sun and rivers, mountains, rocks as God is a superstition, is it not a superstition to call the body packed with flesh and blood as mother, sister, wife and daughter? Dear friends, earth, cow, rivers are worshipped as divine mothers, the manifestation of Shakti, the divine energy in Sanatana Dharma. Dehamata gives us birth and gives us milk and nurtures our body. Gomata, the cow, gives milk to our Dehamata and nurtures her. Bhumata nurtures the Gomata and feeds her. The Bhumata means the earth. Ganga Mata gives water to Bhumata and nurtures her. Jagan Mata is the universal mother, mother of all mothers, and gives us all energy. Every aspect of energy in Sanatana Dharma is equated with mother and worshipped, revered. So, dear friends, it is not superstition, it is a deep bond that our rishis have established. The whole creation is worshipped as God by establishing a deep relationship with it. A deep bond and a relationship is established by our sages between the nature and the human being. They advised us to strengthen and nurture the relationship through prayers and rituals. So it is not superstitions, dear friend, but there is a rationale of feeling of oneness, the bond between the nature and human beings as envisaged by our sages. Today, human mind and Mother Nature are in conflict. Human greed has exploited Mother Nature and is reaping the consequences. There is an urgent need to re-establish the bond with nature. Our ancient sages lived in tune with nature and showed us the ways and means of worshipping the nature, revering it, loving it, and living in tune with it. Dear friends, so it is not superstition to really worship sun, rivers, mountain, rocks as God, but it is having a deep bond with them as one divine energy. Om Lokaha Samastaha Sukhino Bhavantu. Lokaha Samastaha Sukhino Bhavantu. Shanti Shanti Shanti.